morning, sir. Welcome to our restaurant. Do you have any reservation, sir?
Yes.
May I have your name, please?
Nathan Ken Arpatibo.
Okay, sir. We have a special table for you. This way, sir. By the way, sir, I am Rex Alvin Mendoza, your food service for today. May I lay your table napkin, sir? Okay, saka. Sir, excuse me, this is your water.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir, this is your bread. Sir, may I present you I will be back later when your order is ready. Where your order is now ready. Okay, sir. May I take your order? Please.
Buko salad and Coca-Cola.
Yes, sir. Your order is going to 15 to 20 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Would you like to try our fresh spring roll for your appetizer?
No.
Would you like to try our hot and steam soup for today?
Yes.
Would you like to try any of our sweet and cream dessert?
Yes.
Anything else, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. This is your soup.
Wow.
Okay, stop na natin. May I present to you our wine name?
What the best of seller of wine?
May I suggest to you, sir, is red wine for your beef and steak. Okay, sir, this is your wine.
Stop.
Okay lang, repeat. Tama na yan.
Alis ko na video.